Hey people, hope you're doing well. Let's have a look at today's lesson, or yesterday's lesson, substitution into formulae. And that would be where we've done substitution before, but that was into expressions. Now the idea with substitution into formulae is that you get an answer for something. So we're going to get the answer in the first example for y. That's it over here. We're going to get that answer because x's value has been given to us that we're going to substitute into the place of x in the right hand side of the equation. So we then go ahead and say y is equal to 3 multiplied by the x value of 3 plus 2. And so 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. So y has the value 11. If x is 3, now note, I can add on to this and say compare it to when x is equal to 2. Do you think we'll get the same answer if x is 2? Of course not. We'll get a different answer for y every time the x value changes. Now with example 2, they give you a value, b value, and c value, and they say you must calculate d for the following equation. So we've got a, b, and c. So it's going to be 3 times the a value 2 minus 2 times the b value negative 1 and minus 1 times, remember there's an invisible 1 over here, the c value of negative 3. Right, now we just calculate each multiplication value for each term and then add and subtract them together. So the first term is 3 times 2, which is 6. Second one, negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. And the last one is negative 1 times negative 3 gives you positive 3. And then we can simplify that by saying 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11 if we add from left to right. And there we go. And note that as soon as the value changes for a or b or c, the value of d will inevitably change as well. Okay, have a look at activity 7.3.